Guys, look guys, my husband make vegetable pizza. So yummy. Now ready to put in the microwave oven, and then after that, eating veg pizza. Yummy, yummy. See, onion, tomato, capsicum, ketchup, and then cheese. We'll put it on the cheese, that one. But this one, guys, we'll put this. Guys, cook already our veg pizza. The one half already Sophia chicken. Kain tayo. Let's eat. Let's eat. Guys, good afternoon. See, I'm here walking, guys. Exercise. This is I will show you the small view for my area. I'm in a highway. Now this is the recently opened hotel, this one, guys. We'll do walking, guys, because now the weather is good. As I said, most all the time is no electricity, 5 or 6 hours, but today it's good. Now here, oh guys, oh, I remember in Dubai those days, Baskin Robbins, that's my favorite. Every time I have salary, I will go here to eat. Now here, available in Nepal. Now there's cribbing, one thing, and then barbecue. New collection, very nice collection, guys. All new collection here. They're selling also the plants, cravings. 3-in-1. This is the one you can see here in Nepal. Mostly here, like in the Philippines, guys, no? Every time always see another one also. Oh, pharmacy, guys. Here our pharmacy. And then Carinderia. Here, all the variety of cosmetics area. Sari-sari store. And then that side here, beauty and makeup. And then the other one is the clothes. Here for painting. And then here is jewelry area. Here is grocery. Now Here, that one guys, you saw this one guys, very big casserole. That is in the Philippines is siomai. Here is momo. See, very big casserole. Now this is the costume in Nepal guys. Like a dress like this. That is all the costume in Nepal. Watches. Here another side. And then here also the other side is fruits area. And just go walking guys. Yeah, banana. Mobile area. Any kind of the ano guys. Oh, liquor area guys. Tagay-tagay area. And then there a grocery area. No cutting this one guys. I just want to show that my city. This is tailoring area guys. And then all along the way, at least I just keep it walking. It's nice always walking guys. Keep your body exercise. My husband guys, he don't like to walk. Me, I like to walk but not too much far. Bella and Ramis, oh my god, every day they are walking guys. They're very far. The reach in my house is far away. See here guys, a costume. And here the boutique. Here the costume, all the costume. Eggy. Here the dresses, oh, restaurant this area guys. And then here the collection all there. Very nice collection. I don't know, it's nice, I don't know. For the kids, I want to buy for Sophia is you call this one like what they call this, cotton pharmacy. Here our pharmacy guys, no need to go in the hospital, you can direct. And then here the money receiving, and then that side here the jewelries again for the clothing. And then that area is to the school. This is the view in Nepal. Every corner there is a grocery or another also corner guys. Here area also is the book area. Books. That's our service girl, like that, Auto Rickshaw. Name her Auto Rickshaw. And then I think in Philippines e-bike, if I'm not mistaken. Here, books. And then this is the most popular school here in my area, the Sophia School. And then this one also guys, the name this school is Horizon School. This one until college, from playgroup until college. Very big area along the highway only. I think that's all for today guys. Next time I want to show you It's been a long time. Now this is the only the school we have, the Horizon School. And then it's long. See, you hear that? The voice of the kids. And then along that one, all the market. All the market is there. It's showing the market. And then it's very noisy for the school. This is the school, guys. Horizon School inside. That's it for today, guys. This is that I will download that one next soon, guys, so that you will know. Bye for now, guys. Be kind, be happy. Take care, Amping. Love you all. God bless. Bye. Good afternoon, guys. Now I'm going to pay the electricity and water, guys. Walking distance only from my house to here. This is the surrounding. Like, now I'm moving. Here, all the other side road, and then each corner they have different road. And then there the public school with the big ground. And then there you go, that the electricity together with the water. Every monthly I'm the one pay, guys. And now see, they are doing. Now it's very quiet because now they start the lesson. And then after like a 1 o'clock, they are, what you call this one? Break time. In Philippines is recess. I miss during that days. Now here you go. Now first I need to pay the electricity. And then see all this road, guys, in the highway now. And then here the public school. And then here that you saw that woman, that is electricity. And then the last corner is water. Now I'm here, I'm paying now. Now I'm done for the electricity. Now I'm going to water. Ayun. They're under construction here, guys. See, somebody also still waiting. I just make ready my here. Now after that, there's one man. After that, I will do it. No for payment. Okay. But here you go, guys. Very big, see you so, guys. Very big, like a tower. That is all water inside. Here in Nepal, we don't have any problem from the water. Recently only I have big problem for the electricity. Because maximum 5 hours, 6 hours, the electricity is cut. I don't know, guys, it's there. And then now, at least, thanks God, today the weather is very good. Recently already they have rain. And then now the weather is okay. Most all the time the weather is very hot. At least now. Now they do the extension from the up. They're fixing for that. Okay, now I will go now. There is one man, guys, and then after it's my turn. See ya.